you know, how to apply your mind to a problem, how to, really face up to something where you try. Also learn that not everything that you try will succeed. So the idea that every single thing you do must be successful is something that you should share, because you have to have the ability and the perseverance to keep trying many, many things, and that keeps you alive. So I hope this experience, stays with you, and I really look forward to many such events happening. And I'm really glad that the Raman Trust and all the people involved in this, and all the judges. I was really amazed by when Prachita was reading out the judges. I mean, I I would wish, the same group of people could talk to some of our graduate students. I mean, it's amazing. I mean, you people have had a chance to meet probably the most gifted set of science minds in Bangalore, and I think that itself, if you're thinking of taking a prize from here, that itself was your prize right away there. Thank you very much.